Let's connect your email. This takes about 30 seconds. For Gmail, click Connect Gmail. Sign into your Google account. Google shows you the permissions, sending emails on your behalf. Click Allow. You are redirected back and see a green connected badge. That is it. For Outlook, click Connect Outlook. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Click Accept. Green badge. Done. What permissions are needed? Just the ability to send emails from your account. We never access your contacts, calendar, or anything else. All connection tokens are encrypted before being stored. If your connection ever expires, which can happen over time, you will see an amber badge. Click Reconnect and go through the same quick flow. No data is lost. Your connected email automatically becomes your default sending account. You can change this anytime in the drop-down below. And if your connected email ever has an issue, the system falls back to the built-in service automatically. Your follow-up never stops.